In this video, we'll learn how to use the industrial heat press. First, swing the lid by grabbing the handle to the right. Lay the Teflon on the bottom and then place your material on top of it, face up. This helps protect the placket. Swing the lid back. Set the sublimation time to 1 minute and 30 seconds and the temperature to 350 degrees. Both time and temperature can be adjusted on the display panel by switching the mode, holding down the set button, and increasing or decreasing based on the material and type of printing you're doing. Fabrics must be at least 50% polyester for sublimation to work. Other substrates and fiber types can be used with vinyl material transfers, which require different time and temperature settings. Lower the lever completely until you feel the top placket lock in place. The machine will start counting down from the time you've set. When it reaches 0, a beep will sound, signaling that it's time to lift the lever. Release the lock on the front of the machine before lifting the lever. Push the handle back fully, lift the placket, swing the lid to the right, and then remove the material. The materials will be hot, so be careful. Bring them over. Peel them apart slowly, allowing a few seconds for cooling in. Your sublimation transfer has been completed. Don't forget to recycle your paper. This video corresponds with training sample number 1.